Okay, what are we wearing? Do a little
What are
fit
we
check.
wearing? Who's starting?
I'll start. I've got top, shorts, bag, boots.
Are we all wearing the same, aren't we?
Sunglasses, shorts. We're literally
We're all wearing top, shorts, bag, boots.
right. Pretty much, yeah.
No, what do you mean?
It's like a uniform.
Exactly.
Boots. Well, she's wearing Converse.
Those kind of
I just got really bad at it.
Then Cass, what are you wearing? He's got a t-shirt, some jeans, and some Balenciaga.
Do you want to hold the phone?
Yeah. Yeah. This is
I got a t-shirt, some jeans, and then.
You can't turn it.
Oh, never mind.
Okay. Yeah, just get your thing
I say you'll catch me. Promise that you'll catch me. Promise that you'll catch me.
like subtitles for all of them. Positive vibes, calming vibes. She was stressed.
Yeah, because that fucking line biker, bro. Oh my god, get on the pavement. If anyone's watching this vlog, yeah, and you bike on the road, like you have an entire pavement.
Bike on the pavement.
Actually,
Yeah.
it should be illegal to bike on a road.
No, biking the roads.
No, because well, they just slow down the traffic. It's jarring. Anyways, no, I'm calm. I'm in on my R&R.
Scenting pop.
We made it. We're not late just yet. Not yet. Oh my god. Toilets in now.
Just go get a drink and then go to the toilet.
No, let's go to the toilet first. It's so busy, what the fuck? She's not even taking my cup.
Oh wait, yeah.
I have basic class. Alexandra, one of my favorite YouTubers. That's crazy. May or may not grab a photo with her if I see her after. That's crazy. Bad! Yo, you know what? Don't know. Hello, hi. Ah! It's okay. Don't worry.
Kept calling me, didn't pick up, and then he just messaged me like, never mind.
Mashallah, Habibti.
Mashallah, happy.
Forget. You get wet. It's done. Go We're trying to find James. there, see you there, over there. Right guys, we're waiting for Young Lean and Blade. And it's so dirty, look at my hands. Oh my god. Does anyone want to get in the vlog? What are we doing? Waiting for Young Lean and Blade. I'm inhaling so much fucking dirt. I can like see it and I'm inhaling all of that bullshit. Oh my days. We have like an hour left. Dara's on right now, but he's not doing a very good set, I can't lie. So turn it on. Right. Calm.
I'm waiting for my banking app to respond.
My phone is so dirty. What are you doing?
Waiting for my banking app. Waiting for my banking app to respond, so I don't get evicted from a house I've never been to.
Evicted.
This is what you get if you live. I promise you, I'm for you. This next song is called Red Balls, yeah. Two, three, let's go. Eyes dropping, red bottom sky. Go ahead and sing, and I celebrate. She's dancing, got me feeling for you. Thank you, London. It's been a magical fucking evening. We love y'all.
What everyone? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Why are you running away from me? Why are you running, God? Oh, bro, my Twitter. Okay, just okay, I show you. Going shopping at Canary Wharf because we have like 3 hours to spare. I feel so spiritually LA right now. Can't open it. Tuna, salmon, flax seeds, edamame, pineapple, mango, avocado, and seaweed salad.